What's up guys, Brock here with BC Brokerage. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. Today I want to talk about something that causes a lot of confusion, especially for business owners and professionals, and that's the difference between personal insurance and business insurance. I see people mix these up all the time, not because they're careless, but because the lines can feel blurry if no one ever explains where they're actually supposed to be drawn. So in this video, I want to clearly separate the two, explain why people confuse them, and give you a simple way to think about which bucket a risk actually belongs in. Why this gets confusing. The reason this gets confusing is simple. Your personal life and your business life overlap. Your income comes from the business. Your savings might come from the business. Your lifestyle depends on the business working. So when something goes wrong, people naturally ask, is this a business problem or is this a personal problem? But insurance doesn't think that way. Insurance is organized around who is exposed and what is being protected, not how emotionally connected the situation feels. Once you understand that, the lines get much clearer. So, personal insurance is designed to protect you and your household. It covers things like your income, your family's financial stability, your personal assets, your personal liability. Life insurance, disability income insurance, home insurance, auto insurance, and umbrella insurance all live in this bucket. Even if you own a business, these policies are still about you as a person, not the business as an entity. If you get sick, injured, or sued personally, personal insurance is what responds. That's true whether you're employed, self-employed, or running a company with employees. Now let's talk about business insurance. Business insurance is designed to protect the business entity itself. It covers things like claims arising from business operations, professional liability, errors and omissions, business-owned property, business contracts and obligations. If the business is sued, makes a mistake, or causes harm in the course of doing business, that's where business insurance comes in. The key difference is this. Business insurance protects the company, personal insurance protects the person. They solve different problems, even though those problems may be connected. Here's where I see confusion shows up most often. Someone assumes business insurance protects their personal income if they can't work. It usually doesn't. Or if someone assumes personal insurance protects them from business-related lawsuits, often it doesn't. Another common example is liability. Someone has strong business liability coverage, but minimal personal auto or umbrella coverage, even though many large claims start outside the business context. The issue isn't one type of insurance is better, it's that they're being asked to do jobs they weren't designed to do. So, here's a simple framework that helps clear this up. Ask yourself two questions. First, who is being affected, the person or the business? And second, where did the risk originate? Personal activity or business activity? If the risk exists because you're a person living your life, that's personal insurance. If the risk exists because the business is operating, delivering services, or entering contracts, that's business insurance. Once you separate those two things, the confusion usually disappears. This distinction matters because insurance gaps usually happen at the edges. They happen when someone assumes one policy is doing a job it was never designed to do. Clear lines lead to clearer decisions. Clear decisions lead to fewer surprises. And insurance works best when every policy has a very specific role. Personal insurance and business insurance aren't interchangeable. They're complementary. When each is doing the job it's meant to do, the overall plan becomes much more stable and much easier to understand. So, with all of that being said, the question is not, do I have enough insurance? The question is actually, do I know which risks are personal and which ones belong to the business? I hope this was helpful. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let us know what you think in the comments below, and make sure you know what types of insurance are right for you. Have a great day. What's up guys? If you enjoyed this video, please go to our channel and check out the other content and videos that we have posted. We always appreciate a like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next video.